start sinking. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house.
Just why I'm scared of my wife.
I will try to play my part.
We're on our way to Georgia, and I finally picked up Lola. My parents are driving Manuela down there. Manuela.
Are you okay, Lola?
Manuela? Manuela?
Ready? Last ornament went on the tray. Henry set up the tree when I was gone, and then obviously we still do with gifts, so this is why we're doing it kind of backwards. Otherwise we would put the tree, decorated it, and then, you know, be normal, but...
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under the lights, snowflakes in the hair,
Looking straight at the camera too.
Go attack.
under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace. But in my living room, I sung along with my name, knit sweaters and lace.
This is Halloween. This is Halloween.
And Lola pooped in Mouse's bed.
Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, under bright lights, red bow in my hair, snowflakes in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is your Cinderella.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy.
Know that my wish ever since I remember.
How you feel?
I feel like an accomplished military wife.
I'm dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day can say.
Our neighbors, they're not doing anything for Christmas, and we didn't know. One of them is gonna come. His wife's already asleep. We're freaking late. It's 11:30, but we just enjoyed the day. We had fun. We watched TV, and we made the food throughout the day. But we also had we ate at 3 or 4 p.m. And this was supposed to be our dinner, but then we showered, decided to be in PJs and stuff. So
You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only
my
thing
gift, Henry's gift. It's from Oz's parents. Oh, that's cute. The shower gel. Oh my god, this is actually my favorite perfume.
There you go, there's the vlog.
There you go.
Hey, YouTube. It's your boy. Guess where this hat's?
Oh, that's a shoulder.
Nah, I like this, right? That shit?
For the bag. Oh, mira. This is not really a gift.
Is
It's
this-
a marriage book.
For me.
And me.
Oh.
Another ramen bowl.
No.
Holy.
It's like Fugo.
He looks like a real Mexican. Look at it. From her to her. Tita.
This one.
Is this Sam's Angel's Boutique's first nail line?
Yeah.
I'm so good at my job. I know what I'm doing.
This is from Sam's Angel's Boutique.
Hell yeah. Okay. Aesthetic unicorns. My battery's about to die, so Merry Christmas.
That's not from Santa.
It's anonymously from Santa.
Oh my God.
From Santa.
Hey!
To Sam from Santa. It's a new elf. It was made with love. First day on the job. But no, it's a So, my parents bought me this and Henry bought me this. So, who wants to buy one? I'm just kidding. We're trying to teach Lola how to walk. She keeps pulling. Today's actual Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Oh, yeah, so he keeps stopping every time Lola pulls. He stops, so like she obeys the thing, but she's a mess. So, and we're also here with my dad on a little walk. Yesterday was really nice. One of Henry's friends came over, the neighbor. His name's Diego. I forgot his last name, you know, military stuff, but I don't know. We spent Christmas with my parents, and it was our first Christmas in our home. That was really nice. Also, Miles was there. We opened gifts and everything. Today we're just gonna chill. Well, we're just going on a walk to the dog park real quick to take the dogs out for a bit because we don't have a fence. We watched Home Alone today, ate some leftovers, opened Santa's gifts, and now we're just gonna chill. Henry wants to go to bed early.
Yeah, I need to get my sushi fixed.
Yeah, because he's supposed to be working mornings, like days. So he's gonna be waking up at what, 3 a.m.? Yeah, so he wants to go to bed early. Right now it's what, like around 5? I don't know, it's cold.
Yeah, 5:13.
It's like 40 degrees today, I think. It was colder yesterday. Today or the day before it was like 20 degrees, 30 degrees. Oh, also this is the one, I got this for Christmas. My parents gave me this. It's like a really long puffer. So I'm really happy because I'm extremely warm, except for my vlogging hand. Also, I'm really happy that my parents were able to come. Look at this girl. Because, you know, it's our first Christmas as a new family, and I really wanted to bring my dad on this walk. Actually, I had told him about this walk for such a long time because I mean, we usually go on walks in Laredo, in Texas, and we hadn't gone here. And I love the trees, I love the nature, and I know that he would want them too. So I'm really happy because I like coming on walks with Henry, and now with my dad. So I'm really happy and just kind of enjoying, you know, the days. And I'm always cold, but I'm really liking the cold weather, and I don't know, just being in the moment, you know. I don't really know what I've vlogged and stuff, but I'm just happy to capture the memories, which is why I originally started YouTube. It was to just capture the memories and like just talk about my life, go throughout my life, because I love watching vlogs back. So the fact that I have this core memory in there, I don't know, just really happy. So we'll see how the vlog turns out. This is when Lola pees in the back and Lola's still getting trained. But Merry Christmas. Careful! Oh my God. Keep defending your dog and I keep defending mine.
She's big, right?
Let's see who's faster.
Oh.
Oh. Well, me and my mom cleaned down here. Mostly my mom. Well, she did the pantry and she wanted me to show y'all. This is usually Mouse's job, but my mom took over. Obviously, she did it better. Sorry, Mouse. Oh yeah, I bought these at TJ Maxx. Little containers. I'm not sure what to put on that one yet. While we do this, it's a barbecue day today, and the boys are fixing the car. I need a new wiper, so that's them doing their thing. While we do this inside.
Manuela was way the fuck over there.
Manuela?
Yeah.
Manuela? Henry wants to give Lola uncooked piece of meat. I tried. Lay down.
Oh, I'm gonna mess this meat up.
She's hiding it. Manuela's over here like, what about me though? You don't have to eat, baby.
Happy Easter.
I thought you burned your koozie.
It's okay, I got a lot more. Cheers. Salud.
This is how Henry asked for my hand. My mom.
Just wait.
You said that one?
Yeah, it's clear. I don't have bullets for it.
Oh, you're right. God,
Yeah, it's physically clear. There's no ammo.
My mom's over there like.
you wanna go shooting?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's the first time. My
I
dad's
bought
gonna
the
shoot a
right
gun,
stick.
and I think he's excited.
Which one you want to shoot first?
That one or that one?
That one? All right.
One has a kick. What is that one called? The judge? Is that one?
The judge?
And the other one is what, a rifle? Or
Cannon.
okay.
The other one's a rifle.
I don't know, but it's my dad's first time. It's my first time at an outside range, and my mom hates guns. So here we are, a happy family. We bought this stuff. Our we're gonna keep forever now because it's freaking expensive. He's explaining to my dad how to shoot because he's never shot.
No.
And it's his gun.
Hold on.
Look at my mom.
My hands are cold.
Oh, good. Proud husband. Proud daughter.
Cold hands.
So my mom changed her mind. She wants to shoot. She saw me shoot the targets and she wants to compete with me. I've hit it 3 times so far. Woo! I'm out here.
Go ahead and flip that.
My name is Samantha, and I'm a certified killer.
My mom.
Oh.
You can
This
stop.
episode is sponsored by
Flip that
Jacob
down.
Miles,
There you go.
keeping ranges
Then
safe
we're gonna
near
push.
you.
Push that guy there.
What are you doing?
Wow. Oh my goodness.
1, 2.
I missed the
Oh,
other
you
one.
missed it.
Wait, let me take a
This
picture.
right here is why I'm scared of my wife. Her first time shooting a rifle ever.
Here we are in bowling night. Disappointed. He's always trying to curve the ball.
I gotta curve the ball.
It's our last day of vlog, so